Welcome to Physics 210. I'm Julie Alexander. I'm your instructor for the course. There's my contact information. Please do use my Camosun email address and not my D2L address, although all of the course material will be delivered on D2L, and you want to always be checking the news item on D2L. I'm not going to be inundating you with emails that just get lost, so just every day check the news item on D2L. For this course, we're very lucky. We have an excellent textbook. It's University Physics with Modern Physics by Young and Friedman. I've been using this book for years. It is not a mandatory text for the course, but if you are having trouble with some of the concepts and you want to read an excellent resource, then you could get this textbook. What is mandatory, however, is the Mastering Physics license that goes with the book. You can buy this at the Camosun bookstore for $75 Canadian. And I think this is cheaper than if you try to buy it directly through Mastering Physics, which would be in American dollars. In addition to the Mastering Physics license, you will need a notebook that you'll be doing all of your homework in and all of your assignments, and you will be taking pictures of pages of that notebook to send to me for your assignments. The course outline is on D2L. Please read it. The details of how you'll be graded are there. And you'll notice here there is no written final exam. Instead of a final exam, we will be having oral exams. And this will amount to 2 individual 15-minute oral quizzes on Zoom with me. And you can think of them just like a job interview. So I'll ask you a question. It will be one of the homework questions. You'll have to explain it to me. You'll have to write it down as you're explaining it, and then simply hold your paper up to the camera so I can see what you've done. They'll be booked during lab periods, your scheduled lab periods, week 4, and I think it's week 8. And those are the dates, and we'll give you more details about your exact time later. Now, the course is laid out very linearly. I will not be standing up in a classroom delivering lectures to a camera and then having you sit and watch these lectures. Instead, I've replaced the lectures with a lot of resources and very strict guidance on how to use Mastering Physics and particular kinds of assignments on Mastering Physics. So the textbook has excellent resources. It has a whole bunch of videos doing some of the problems in the book. It has excellent PowerPoint slides. It gives all the equations from the chapters, and you will be using all of those resources on Mastering Physics. Although the course is asynchronous, which means you can do this work whenever you want, you will have due dates every Monday and Thursday night. So at either 10 p.m. or midnight on Mondays and Thursdays, you will be submitting 1, 2, or even 3 different assignments for this physics course. And it's all outlined in D2L, and I will go through another video showing you how to work through that checklist. In addition, I've made a number of YouTube videos that are just me doing problems out of the textbook. And these will be the problems that you'll see in the assignments. Those links are all on D2L as well as on my personal website. Now, if you're really keen to watch video lectures of people teaching this course, there are 2 sources that I found on YouTube that I think are pretty good. And those are the links. So feel free to watch them as much as you want. So immediately before Wednesday, this Wednesday, you will need to submit assignment number 1, which is on D2L. It is simply a questionnaire. I just want to find out a little bit about you, what city you're in, things, how you work, what you think about the way I've laid out the course. You will also need to have your Mastering Physics license ready to go. The first Mastering Physics assignment is due Thursday. Now, if you don't have the money immediately to buy it, I think you've got 2 weeks. You can have a free subscription to Mastering Physics, and then you'll have to pay. But you may as well just pay for it now. I will have a document on D2L in the news item of how you log into this course on Mastering Physics. So that's it for the introduction. Next video you'll probably want to watch is how to work your way through the chapter checklist on D2L. Bye for now.